Two Foolproof Methods for Perfect Rice Vermicelli and or Pho Noodles. Here's dried pho noodles, dried rice vermicelli. I just pre-soaked some dried pho noodles here for 1 hour and a half. You can see how softened they get. Let's drain them. Let's start with the fastest method using 1 hour pre-soaked noodles. Approximate the amount of noodles you wish to cook. Pour triple the amount of water into a big pot. Only when water is at a rapid boil, add the noodles to the water. Stir noodles, and when they are cooked al dente, immediately drain them. It takes only 30 seconds. And use a heat-resistant strainer. Lift noodles a few times to cool down and release the hot steam for 15 seconds. And that's it! It's ready to serve! The second foolproof method. Again, approximate the amount of dried vermicelli you wish to cook. Make sure to have triple the amount of water over vermicelli. A little bit more is even better. Turn on and keep heat halfway between the low and medium settings. Cook without a lid on a pot. This should take from 30 to 35 minutes. Occasionally, stir the noodles slowly. When vermicelli is cooked al dente, remove it and drain immediately. Again, lift noodles for a few times for 15 seconds to cool down, preventing the noodles to soften further. And that's it! It's ready to serve!